Hello, viewers around the world. It's your content creator here on UnboundVerse. I know it's been forever. I haven't made any video for you guys in like months. I think 2, 3, 4 months, maybe 5. I know. I'm sorry. It's been that long. But yeah, it looks like things are beginning to give way for me to continue to make more content for you guys, the contents that you love. All right. So yeah, I might be back making content for you all. I may not be back yet. This might just be like let's see how it goes video. Okay. All right. So what am I bringing to your front today? I have a dishwasher that is called KitchenAid. That's the model of it, the company that makes it, KitchenAid. And if you have been listening or hearing a sound in the background, listen. You heard it? That sound has been coming out of it. Let's hear it again. That sound. So if you have been hearing that sound coming out from your KitchenAid dishwasher, it just means that something is wrong. Now, what is wrong? You don't know. I didn't know before I made this video, but now I know. Okay, I know why it's making that sound. And why is it making that sound? It's making that sound because, as you can tell, this KitchenAid is somehow intelligent. All right, it's different from regular dishwashers. It's smart, fast, it's very quiet when it works. All right, so when something goes wrong, it has a way of telling you. Now, what's gone wrong with this KitchenAid is that it tried to do the dish and something obstructed the blades from spinning around. So it was just spraying water in one spot continuously. And because this dishwasher is smart, it has a system whereby when the washer keeps putting water in the same spot, and that water is trying to escape the containment of the dishwasher to go outside into your house and thereby resulting in flooding, this dishwasher has intelligence to stop. It will stop the cycle and it will keep making this beep sound. Beep, 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 right? So once you hear that sound, it means water has escaped from the containment of the washer and it has gone into a reservoir. That reservoir is like a watch, like a neighborhood watch. It's keep watching, always watching when the dishwasher is running. Whenever it sees water coming into that reservoir, it says, oh, I found water. Water is coming out. Water is coming out. Stop, stop, stop. You don't want to flood the house. So that reservoir has water in it right now as we speak. So no matter what you do, that dishwasher will just keep beeping like that. So good news, do not panic, because today I'm going to show you how you're going to fix that problem. Okay, no worries. All you need is a little tool, right? And one tool only. That's all you need, and yourself. All right, so no panic, don't worry. You don't need to freak out and be calling the service guys or the maintenance guys. It is something you can fix yourself. Whether you are a girl or a boy, whether you are a man or a woman, whether you are even old, you can do this. All right, let's go. let's get it. Let's fix it. So look at the dishwasher right here. You see, that's the blinking. See the blinking light that should say clean, right? Above it you will see 4-hour delay, clean, right? It's blinking over there. And you also see that it's blinking in the front too, just like so. See, and it's constantly making that sound. All right, that is the error I'm addressing in this video. Maybe in the future I will address all the errors that the machine is prompting. All right, now let's go to the reservoir and check it out and fix what's wrong there. The reservoir is at the bottom, so we're gonna go ahead and close it up and then move the camera so we can see the bottom of the dishwasher. That is the bottom, right? And this is the tool you need. Like, look at the opening. You see it looks like an Allen. It's an Allen tool, right? That's like the 8 mm, but don't worry about the measurement or the size. Just try, look in your toolbox and try the Allen key until you find the one that fits the screw on there. But the Allen key is 8 mm size. Okay, now let's take it off. That's the bottom, and the reservoir is located under there. So let's take that off. One. Two. Now to the left, right here, there's a little tab there to take that reservoir out, and all you do is pull it. You see, when you pull it, you see what happens, and stick your index finger into the little hole in there at the same time and pull it out slowly. You see, it's coming out slowly. So let's leave that like that, because you got to do that on the right side as well. So let's go to the right side and let's do the same. That is the right side over there. And we'll pull the tab, then we stick our finger there and pull it out. It's coming out. Okay. So this is that watch that I told you about. The guy that's making sure water is not coming into your house. This guy right here. See? Now, I have to tell you something. For electrical safety reasons, I'm supposed to have told you this at the beginning. You supposed to turn off the circuitry of this dishwasher from the fuse breaker in your house, okay? But if you don't know where it is, if you don't know how to turn it off, just be careful not to touch anything electrical that's over there. You see that black little plug in the back there? That's an electric cable. All right, that's the one that's sending the signal to the washer that, hey bro, you got water trying to escape into the house. You got water just trying to escape into the house. So I'm gonna stop the operation, okay? So how to take this out is you pull the tab. There's two tabs. See, there's one there and there's one right here. You pull it and then you pull it out. You can do it one at a time, slowly. Look at that. Now we got it out. So I don't know if you can see the water down there. There's a water in the reservoir right there, right in here. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna get a paper towel and dry this, okay? All right, let's get some paper towel. This is the water right here. Can you see it? Let me move the camera a little bit. Can you see the water? I'm shaking it so you can see it. All right. So let's dump it out and then dry it up. Whew. Let's dry it. We're gonna dry it up. So now I think we've gotten some quite a good dry up there. We can go ahead and put this stuff back. See, it's dried. All right, there's no more water in the reservoir right there. No more water. So once we put this back, it might start running immediately. Because it's still on right now. Yes, you can still hear the beep, right? So we're gonna put it back. If it start running right away, that means it fixed it. But if it doesn't run it right away once we put the reservoir back and close the bottom, then we have to turn it off and turn it back on. Okay, all right, let's go. We have to make sure this goes back exactly where it came out from. Listen, you have to hear the click, okay? Listen. Did you hear that click? If you did not hear that click, that is not sitting right. All right, let's go on. Pull that up. Just slide it all the way in. Keep pushing it in. Now, when you push it all the way in, you must hear that click also. Okay? Listen to the click. Listen, you must hear 2 clicks. That's 1 click. And that's another click. See? Did you hear it? All right, I heard it. So now that that is done, we need to put everything back the way it was, and then cover them. So we have this down here like so, and then we have that on top, right? And we have the top one above it like so. And now we can put the screws back in. All right, so the reservoir is empty now, right? But it's still beeping. All right, that just means that we need to now cancel the whole operation, turn off the washer, the dishwasher, and then turn it right back on, which we're gonna do right now. Let's do that. If cancel it, and then we're just waiting to see if it will beep. Okay, the beeping is gone, guys. Look at that. So now it's on normal watch and it's on heat dry. And now we're gonna hit start. So, and one thing with this washer is that it's so quiet, you will not even know it's working. It's a ninja. You don't see them coming. All right. So you can see that the beeping stopped, right? The beeping stopped. That means the water is out of the reservoir. Now there's no threat to the house. There's no threat of flooding to the house. Okay. So when you see the blue light and all lights white, that means this baby is back in business. You see the blue light? Good to go. See? So okay, back to you guys. Here's my face. I have to tell you guys, that was a very straightforward process. Nothing was tough or hard to do in there. Like I said, if you're not comfortable removing that stuff because you're scared you might be electrocuted or something, if you're not sure, if you're not comfortable, just turn on the circuit of that dishwasher from your circuit fuse from either your garage or wherever it's located. All right, I'm comfortable with touching it because I have a little electronics training. That's not enough current to cause damage to me. It's a very minute current in there. And it's just a sensor. All right, so usually sensor area, except for like industrial areas, in electronic gadgets, sensor units usually use a very minute current. All right, so there you have it. If you can listen closely, you could kind of hear the dishwasher running. It's running already. All we had to do was empty out that reservoir. All right, that reservoir, that making sure water is not flooding into our houses. All right, you don't want flooding from your dishwasher. All right, so we took out the water, we dried it up, and we put it back in, and it started working. All right, it started working right away. The moment we hit the kind of cycle we want, we select whether we want it heat, dry, and then we hit resume button. So if this video helped you in any way or form, please come back to this video, like it, share this video, and if you have not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. This is your boy on UnboundVerse. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.